hope you're well. So I'm just doing a follow-up from my last video. So in my last video, I was talking about the Derm Results Daily Radiance Peel Pads. So I've been using these in the morning, so after cleansing and toning, and then before I pop on the Illuminating Skin Therapy Concentrate. So both of these are really active products. So the Daily Radiance Peel Pads have 2% caviar lime in them, and yeah, they're a peel pad. So basically, as it said, quite a strong exfoliant. And then I've been following that with the Skin Therapy Concentrate, which has vitamin C, bakuchiol, and ferulic acid as well. So has a little bit of an exfoliating and renewing effect on the skin. So it's a potent antioxidant booster serum, basically. So I've been using those two together, and together they're really quite active. I mean, they didn't give my skin any reactions and that kind of thing, but they really are quite active. And I did get a couple of little dry, peely spots on my, or flaky skin spots on my nose, which obviously isn't great, and just says to me that I'm popping too much active product on my skin. So I'm gonna ease it back, tone it back a little bit. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these peel pads at night. So I'm gonna continue my morning skincare routine exactly the same, using cleanser, toner, then the Skin Therapy Concentrate, and then I'm gonna follow that on with my usual routine, which is, at the moment, is a tone serum from Arbonne, which I've got the Brighten Up one at the moment. And after my serum, I pop just a little pea-sized amount or less just on my face, pat that in. Then I'll go to eye cream. I've got the Brighten Up one here at the moment, which is great for dark circles. And I'll follow that with my usual routine of a neck cream, which just goes to brighten up, smooth out all this area around the neck and collarbone area. And then I'll follow that up with my day cream as well. So both from Agewell, which is the Arbonne range. So with those, that's going to be my morning routine for the next couple of days, and probably for the next 30 or so days, and I'll obviously be reporting back periodically. So for my nighttime routine, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be incorporating these Derm Results peel pads in my nighttime routine. So I'll cleanse and tone as usual. I might incorporate an exfoliant if I need one. And then I'll pop the peel pads just all over my face. So I'll just take one of the little pads and just swipe that over my face. So really easy to use, as I showed in my last video. And then I'll follow that obviously with a serum, which I've shown you before. And if my skin feels really dry, I might pop the Nourishing Facial Oil over the top of my serum. And then I'll go to a neck cream and a night cream as well. And if my skin feels like a boost or I feel like an overnight mask, I'll pop this Prep Work Overnight Face Jelly on top of all of that. Just rub it in like a normal, give it a bit of a rub in like a normal cream. I like to use upward motions to lift everything. And this one, it basically forms a little bit of a barrier type cream and locks everything in a bit like a mask might. So locks in all the other goodness from my other skincare products. Now, I know I've spoken about this in my previous videos as well with my nighttime routine. Up until now, I've been using the Arbonne Counter Spot Essence. So it comes in this little tube, and I've been using that. It's a retinol-based product, and I'm not going to be using that at the same time as my peel pads. So it's one or the other, both really active, and I don't want to just throw everything at my skin. So I know I often get tempted to throw everything at my skin to make it look great, but sometimes too many active products are not necessarily a good thing. So I'm going to be switching out my Counter Spot Essence for the peel pads for a week or two, maybe even up to 30 days, and we'll be reporting back periodically. So have a great day, guys. And obviously, yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, any skincare that I can help with, I'd love to help.